All right, so now that we broke that VWAP and we're still in this position, um, let's see what the profit takes could be, you know, potentially be. We're not doing too bad. Let's see here. Right now, I mean, we're only up 5%, still under 412. We're up 5% so far. So let's just see. I'm not banking on too much strength to happen because again, we got, you know, some resistance there at 455 and then 472. Let's see if this can push through this though. Going to be holding it until then. And then once it starts to give me that indication that downturn is coming, then I'm going to go ahead and, take my profits. But again, right now we're up 590. Now we're up 202, up 10% of the day. So yeah, let's keep this bad boy going. But I just wanted to kind of walk through that with you guys. Like I said, I mean, we're at we're at the 7:30 time frame. It's been pretty much an hour. So 1 hour, a little over 200 bucks. Not too bad of a day, but I'll go ahead and call it a day. If I, go ahead and take profits, I'll, post what's in there for you, um, in the Facebook group. But yeah, other than that, guys, stay green.